Hi everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can add a social media button like this in your Blogger website. And as you can see, I have added different social media buttons like this using a simple SVG code and a little bit of CSS code. So let's check how you can add this button to your Blogger website. So let me just open it in a mobile view. So let's change the mobile view to iPhone SE and let's scroll down. As you can see, the button is looking great. So you can use any of these SVG icon like Facebook, Twitter. So here I have added the Telegram and the YouTube button. So let's check how you can do that. So for this you have to go to your Blogger layout section and you have to scroll down to the sidebar wizard and you have to click on the add gadget here. And here you have to select this option like HTML/JavaScript. So I have already added this wizard, and as you can see, this is the link of the Telegram group and this is the SVG code. And here you can change the Telegram text like join Telegram or Telegram group like that, or you can also use Facebook links here. And this is the YouTube link, and I have added the text like subscribe now. And here you can change the button color. So if you want to change the button color, then you can change the here like background color. So you can add it like yellow, and you can change the text color in this section color. So you can change it like white, something like that. And here you can change the settings according to your choice. So I will give the both code link in the description so that you can use it in your Blogger website. And if you still have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want to find SVG resources, then you can simply just click on SVG resources link here in the header, and you have to scroll down. Here I have included a lot of SVG icons like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, or I have added SVG icons in different styles. So you can use any of the SVG icon here, or you can use some SVG resources like this. So just copy and paste the SVG code in this code and use the social media buttons like this. And if you still have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if this content is helpful to you, then make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe Key to Blogging. Thank you.